how to contact the Facebook customer service. Now this is what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy video. So let's get started right away. Now what you want to do is simply click on your account on the top right corner, and here you can see help and support, and here you have a couple of different options. Now first of all, you can click on report a problem, and here you can either click on help us improve Facebook, give feedback about your Facebook experience, or something went wrong. So here you can actually report a problem, and here you can include the logs and diagnostics in your report or don't. And then you can here choose an area. So for example, profile, enter the details, and maybe add a screenshot or video, which is recommended, they say, because then, you know, they'll know even better what your problem is. You can also click on this one, and here you can do kind of like the same thing actually. So yeah, then the second way is simply click on your account again, then go to help and support, and then go to the help center. And here in the help center, you have a bunch of like standard options you can go to. So if you click on this one, for example, here you have a bunch of like popular articles which can help you out as well. And here you have related topics and stuff like that. But let's say you have even more questions than there are here. You can also go to the business help center. And once you are here, you can search for goals, topics, and resources, or check a couple of them here. So yeah, this is where you can even get more help or support from Facebook. So I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time. Have a good